So today, I'm gonna show you how to make a healthy drink for having a good voice. Keep on watching! Being a singer, I must protect my voice from anything dangerous like what I eat, what I drink, what I do, anything very carefully. So I have to drink a healthy drink like ginger lemongrass lime tea. I have to eat a healthy food like fruits and vegetables. And the last, I have to do some exercise like running, because running makes my breath stable so I can have long breath. Those are made my voice safe. But today, I'm just gonna show you how to make a healthy drink for having a good voice. Yep, that's right. Today I'm just gonna show you how to make a ginger lemongrass lime tea. Keep on watching, guys. Hot ginger lemongrass lime tea. First, prepare some desired ingredients and materials. They are 12 to 16 oz water, glass, knife, spoon, 1 fresh lime, lemongrass, 1-inch segment fresh ginger, 1 tea bag, cutting board, stove, pan, and the last is sugar. Second, pour the water into the pan. After that, turn on the stove on medium heat. While waiting the boiling water, slice the lime with knife. After that, peel the ginger with knife. And then slice the ginger. Next, wash the ginger and the lemongrass. After that, put them into the boiling water and then squeeze the lime. After that, stir the boiling water with spoon. Don't forget to turn off the stove and then put the 1 tea bag into the glass and then put the boiling water into the glass. Next, stir the glass with spoon
and then dip the tea. And then add some sugar into the glass based on your necessity. Next, take out the black tea and then stir the tea. Okay, finish! Hot ginger lemongrass lime tea is ready to serve.
Okay, that's all about how to make a healthy drink for having a good voice. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Goodbye. See you. How to make a healthy drink for having a good voice. Yeah, how I can show you the words I love.